Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this fun, simple, festive holly nail art. So let's just jump right to it. First off, I'm starting off with the Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth as a base coat. As for base color, I'm going to be using the Londontown called Kissed by Rose Gold. This is such a beautiful rose gold packed with silver shimmer in it. This is such a beautiful color. This is from their winter collection. After we apply 2 coats of that base color, we're going to apply the Glisten and Glow top coat before we start stamping. The next 2 things that we're going to need is the Twinkled stamping polish called Vibin and also the Creative Shop stamper. As for stamping plate today, we're going to be using the BP 187. This is from the Born Pretty store. And here you just want to grab some Scotch tape, just remove the excess images that we don't need. And now I'm going to take a green polish from OPI called Envy the Adventure, and we're just going to fill in those leaves in this image. This is called reverse stamping. For the next color I'm going to be using is called Vendetta by Londontown, and here we're just going to fill it in those red berries. And this is how it should look like, so you just want to make sure you didn't miss any spots. Next, we're going to apply a Cuccio base coat. We're going to just apply a thin layer on this because since we did a reverse stamping, you want to make sure the image does stick to it. And last but not least, you want to apply a good thick layer of top coat so that way you do not smear your image and make sure your mani lasts long. And that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this simple, fun, festive holly nail art. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!